Yo, what's up, you guys? It's Professor NFT here again. So before I get started, like always, remember this is not financial advice and always do your own research. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I got a couple of NFTs for you guys today. So the first one actually releases tomorrow. It is Chill Chat. So the art is really cool. They have 1,500 completely unique NFTs here. So I do know that they are creating some sort of create to earn pixel art metaverse made by the players. And right here, let me show you with the origin and lineage. It shows us the way you create your own pixel art, pretty much creating your own characters for that metaverse. And you can also play it on the Chill Chat. I find that pretty interesting how you're able to create something and have it stay in that metaverse forever. So Chill Chat is a pixel art NFT metaverse, a vast collection of virtual worlds made entirely by its players, where you can jump into a venture with a new identity created by you or another player, pixel by pixel. So as you could see here, it shows you how you could create your own pixel art. It shows you could build and trade stuff. And actually, I like how they showed us Pokemon here because this is really similar to the old Pokemon games, the style of the game and how it looks. Some nostalgic vibes for us for sure. So you can also go on adventures and also chill with your friends. So that's amazing for sure. Their tokenomics, they got a DAO, they got staking and treasury, which treasury is they holds chilling owned by the company from sales and transaction proceeds with the 12-month lockup. Additional chilling will enter the treasury through transactions on the Chill Chat platform. So let me go ahead now and show you guys their roadmap. So supposedly they've been building this part-time since 2019. I hope they have. They show you Q1 2022. They got web app early access. Q2 web app with full pixel editor and etc. I'll go ahead and put a link in the Discord. In the description below to their website. And you guys could go ahead and check out their roadmap as well. So let's hop on the Discord here. So you see they have a total members of 23.2k people, which is good. Means they have hype behind this project. Mint price is at 2 SOL, and we already know they have 1,500 supply. So it's low as well. Unfortunately, whitelist is full. So I do know this project has a working demo right now. Currently, it's on iOS. And the team, what I do know, they're not fully doxed yet. So the team said that they're waiting till after mint to dox themselves. And then they are coming out with the web app as well after mint. So if the web app works good, we don't see any problems. Let me show you guys the Discord, the Twitter as well. They have 12.7k followers. Yeah, we don't see any problems with the web app and the team fulfills their promises. This does have potential. If you do decide to mint one, make sure you guys use your burner wallet. I'm not saying Chill Chat's gonna rug you guys, but I just want everyone to do it safely so nothing happens to your wallets. Remember, rugs could happen anywhere. That's why you got to do your own research. All right, so the next one I have for you guys, it is called Doodle Bunnies. So Doodle projects have been doing good lately. So this, I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys. This could be a risky play. Let me go ahead and show you guys the Discord as well. So Discord members 4,433. So make sure you guys do your own research here. So their supply is really low. They're at 1062. And their mint price is good as well, 0.662 SOL. I like something about this project. So what I like is I like how they use royalties in two ways. So pretty much they give 62% to their holders. That's one. And the second is they sweep the floor with the 18%. So next to that as well, it has some pretty cool art. Let me go back to the website. It has some pretty neat art. Sort of looks like the doodle ape art and different doodle projects. So I see this, in my opinion, as a potential to be a good flip for huge gains, as from what I'm seeing. But like I always say, you guys always got to do your own research. They got a couple stuff here as well. Passive income. Like I told you guys, 62% of all royalties are sent back to holders every month. Every month. They do giveaways as well and airdrops. But do your own research, you guys. I'll go ahead and put a link to their Discord in the description below. That's all for me today, you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and join the Discord as well for more. Let me show you guys as well for more info on NFTs, calls, plays, etc. That's all for me today, you guys. You guys have a great one and take care. Peace.